How to make a TikTok collection. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a TikTok collection. So all you need to do is simply get into your Play Store first and make sure that your TikTok application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the new features of the TikTok won't be available on the previous versions of the TikTok. So what you need to do right now is simply get into your TikTok application and open it up. Once you have opened your TikTok application, what you need to do is simply get into that profile by tapping at the right bottom corner. And once you have uploaded it or get onto it, now what you need to do is simply get into Discover or your home. So once you're in the Discover page, all you need to do is simply choose any of the story or what videos that you like. Just save it. You can save it by tapping at the ribbon button that is at the right, and that has just turned yellow. So once you've saved it, now go into your profile and get into your tap icon or tap on that ribbon icon with that ion sign on it, that is the last sign, and you see that these are your videos, and just right beside the videos there is an option of collection. When you get into it, you can simply see your collection, and you can also create your new collection by tapping at create new collection. You can write the name of that, and once you have written the name of that collection, you can select all those saved videos and make them come to your collection or save them in your collection. So this is how you do it. This is how you make TikTok collection in 2022. And if you guys still have any question or query regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel of How to Digital. Don't forget to click or tap on that bell icon so that you can receive notifications about further awesome videos like this. So that was it. Till next time, take care. Peace.